History has been made at the Academy Awards with cinematographer Autumn Durald Arkapaw winning Best Cinematography for the film Sinners. She has become the first woman and the first woman of color to win the award in this category. She had already made history as the first woman of color to be nominated. She is also only the fourth woman ever nominated for Best Cinematography. In her acceptance speech, she thanked her peers and acknowledged women in the industry, saying she would not have reached this stage without their support. The film, directed by Ryan Coogler, was noted for its ambitious visual style. It was shot in IMAX and Ultra Panavision 70, with Durald Arkapaw becoming the first woman to shoot a film in large format IMAX. Sinners had already gained attention during the awards season, earning multiple nominations and critical acclaim for its cinematography. Her win is being seen as a significant moment for representation in Hollywood in a category historically dominated by men.